Hello everyone, you are welcome to Mosaic Spatial Solution. We are back again with another tutorial. In today's video, I want to show you how to use ArcGIS to do your stream network analysis. To do that, step 1, you have to use the dam. Clip the dam using your study area. Number 2, fill the dam. Number 3, you do your flow direction. Number 4, you flow direction. Number 4, you do your flow accumulation. Number 5, using map algebra to select stream. Firstly, select the volume that match with your data. Number 6, you do your stream link. Number 7, stream order, separate order accordingly based on tributaries. Number 8, you do your stream to future. To do that, let's clip out our study area first. You go to search option, click on right click and click on it. An option will pop up. Input raster, you click on your dam raster, then output feature, you put your local government, then you try to define the area, the extent of your area for consistent alignment, because your stream network may be beyond your actual study area. Then you navigate, click on OK. After defining the extent of your area, then navigate to the folder that you want to save your work. Then click on OK. You wait for it to load for some time. You can see our own is loading at the downside of the computer. Okay, it has activated. Okay, the next step is for you to fill your dam. To do that, you still go back to your search option, then write fill, then you right click on the one that is under spatial analysis tools. Input your clip, then locate the folder where you want to save and define your extent in environment. Okay, after doing that, you click on OK. It will load for some time. You wait for it to finish. Okay, it is done. Let's do our flow direction. To do your flow direction, you go to Arc Toolbox. In Arc Toolbox, you go to Spatial Analysis Tools. Under Spatial Analysis Tools, you click on Hydrology. Then you click on Flow Direction. Input feature, you put your field. Then navigate to the folder that you want to save your work. And give it the name of your choice. Then go to environment and define your extent. Same as field. Then your raster analysis. Same as field. Then define your parallel extent to be 0. Click on OK. You wait for it to load. Okay. Alright. Our flow direction is now activated. Let's do for flow accumulation. To do that, you still go back to your Arc Toolbox. Then see under that spatial analysis tools and under hydrology, you see flow accumulation. Include flow direction. Then navigate to the folder that you want to save. Define your extent. Since we are looking for flow pattern, our direction, our extent, and our raster analysis will include same as flow direction. Then parallel extent, we choose 0. Then click on OK. You wait for it to load for some time. Okay. Okay, our flow accumulation is now activated. The next thing we are going to do now is to use map algebra to select stream. Firstly, select the value that match with your study area. Okay, it's not to, yes. Firstly, you have to select the value that match with your study area. So you go to your flow accumulation and right click on it. Go to properties. Then go to symbology. Then classify. In this very video, I want to use only 2 class. Then your break value. If you want your stream network to come up very well, you use a higher stream. You use a higher value. You can see I'm using. You can see what I'm using. 3,500. I think that one will not make my work to come up very well. I need to increase the value, because if the value is low, your stream network may cluster. It may not appear nice. Okay, let me use 8,000 so that my stream network will be very okay. Okay, now I change the value to 8,000. Okay. The next thing is for me to use my search option. Go to my search option, my local search option, and search for map algebra. Search for map algebra. Then you click on raster calculator. You input your flow direction greater than 3,000, because I want my stream network to come up very well. Let me use 3,000. Give it a name and click on OK. Navigate to the folder that you want to save your work. Give it a name. Click on OK. You allowed for your data to load for some time. Okay. Our raster calculator is now activated. Okay. You go to the color, the face color, you make it hollow. Then the second color, you give it a stream color, which is blue. Okay. You can choose to uncheck your flow accumulation, but in this video, let me leave it. You can choose to uncheck it. The next thing is our stream link. To do that, go to that your same Arc toolbox. Under that spatial analysis tools, you see your stream link. You input your rasters, that is stream data, the one that I just activate now. Then look for the folder that you want to save your work. then define your extent in the environment. Okay, the same thing I repeat, the same thing we did in flow accumulation. Okay, our stream link is now activated. Okay, we are at number 7, that is stream order. Separate order accordingly based on tributaries. Okay, you have to do our stream order, then separate it based on tributaries. Alright, we input our raster, our stream raster, which is the stream link. Then we input our flow direction. Then look for the folder where you want to save your work. Okay, then you still repeat the same thing. You come to your environment and define your environment. Our raster and our extent, we choose flow direction. Then our parallel extent, our parallel processing, we put 0. You wait for it to load after clicking on OK. Alright. Okay, you can see our stream order is now activated. The last thing we want to do now is to do our stream to future. Okay, we input our stream order, then our flow direction. Navigate to the folder that you want to save your file, save your work. Okay, stream network. Then you go to your environment and define your extent for consistent alignment, as I said earlier on. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, you can see our stream network is now activated and it's very beautiful. You change the color to blue because stream, that is the color for stream. Okay, in ArcGIS. Then I want to put my map in a frame. Okay, you can go to view and put your map in a frame. Then I add my map title as a stream network of Cross River State. Please do well to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be seeing video of this nature anytime that we upload. Do well to share, comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. At this point, you can go ahead and add all your map elements. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Alright, do well to hit the subscribe button. Do well to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be seeing video of this nature anytime